Welcome to Vibratech Trainers and Consultant Private Limited. We are going to see an interesting Unbalance case study on fan. This is applicable for all types of industrial fans. Case study prepared by Vijaya Krishnan Venugapur, Director of Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited, Chennai. He is a chartered engineer with more than 35 years of experience. He is an international vibration consultant and ISO certified vibration analyst Cat 3 certificate holder. Also, he is certified maintenance and reliability professional from SMRP. Fan we are going to see is directly coupled with motor of capacity 4500 kilowatts and 1488 RPM. The fan is mounted on steel frame on concrete floor at ground level without any anti-vibration mountings. Vibration measurements are taken in all three directions: horizontal, vertical, axial. In each locations, measurement locations are motor non-drive end bearing, motor drive end bearing, fan drive end bearing, fan non-drive end bearing. Vibration data are collected in terms of displacement in microns peak to peak and velocity in millimeters per second peak. Now onto the vibration limits. As per ISO standard and with our previous experience, when the velocity falls below 6.58 mm per second peak, it's considered as good. When the velocity falls between 6.58 to 15.8 mm per second peak, it is considered as fair. And when the velocity falls above 15.8 mm per second peak, it is considered to be rough. The vibration values are maximum at motor drive end horizontal, velocity up to 6.4 mm per second peak with displacement of 80 microns peak to peak. And at fan drive end vertical, velocity up to 9.6 mm per second peak with displacement of 106 microns peak to peak. And the equipment falls under fair category. Going through the spectrum and frequencies at fan driven end dominant peak frequencies are 1 times the running RPM. Unbalance in the centrifuge rotor indicated. The fan impeller was thoroughly inspected. Though wear in the impeller was indicated due to production requirement, the equipment was taken up for in situ dynamic balancing. A correction weight of 250 grams were added to reduce the vibration levels from 106 microns and 9.6 mm per second to 22 microns and 3.7 mm per second. The quality of balancing is satisfactory. After the balancing, vibration data are collected. The vibration values are maximum at motor drive end horizontal, velocity up to 2.1 mm per second peak with displacement of 15 microns peak to peak. And at fan drive end axial, velocity up to 3.7 mm per second peak with displacement of 22 microns peak to peak. And the equipment improved to good category. The comparison spectrums of fan. The spectrums shows the first peak frequency velocity value is reduced from 7.09 mm per second peak to 1.26 mm per second peak. Vibratech cater among all major industrial sectors. We conduct vibration analysis level 1 and 2 training programs online and also in plant. ISO certified vibration analyst category 1, category 2, category 3 training and examination. Services we provide are vibration analysis, in situ dynamic balancing, laser alignment, motor current signature analysis, thermography, building or ground vibration measurements. We also market and provide service for machinery vibration analyzers and meters, and low frequency building vibration analyzers.